Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today I want to talk about how to add fonts to Canva. So as you know, most of the fonts that you already need in your daily life will already be included in Canva. And I have one very simple design here. And as you can see here on the top, there are already tons of different fonts that you can actually use that are very popular. But sometimes it makes sense to use your own font, or you have a brand font that's not included yet and you want to upload that one. So in my example here, I have a very special font that I found on Google Fonts, but it can also be something that you already have on your computer. And we want to use that one now. So what we are going to do is now we are going to the upload a font section here, and then we are going to select the TTF font and are trying to upload the font. And this is a premium feature, so it will only work if you have Canva Premium, and it takes a couple of seconds till it's uploaded, and now it will be shown here under uploaded fonts. And now we can simply use it, make it a little bit smaller obviously so that it makes sense. And yeah, that's basically how you can add your own fonts to Canva. Very simple. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye bye.